How to transfer PlayStation data to new console. To transfer your PlayStation data to new console, you first of all have to prepare both consoles and make sure both your old and your new console are updated to the latest official firmware version. Now you simply have to log into your new console using the exact same PlayStation Network account credentials used on your old console. Connect both consoles to your home router, then proceed to launch the data transfer. On your new console, head to the settings or the setting gear icon on the top right, go to the system and system software. You should be able to find data transfer option. Go ahead and select continue once you open that option. Your console will begin scanning your local home network to locate your old system. You simply have to tap on your old console once it is detected, then go to the old console and press and hold its physical power button for 1 full second until you hear a clear beep. You simply have to select your data and execute the transfer. Make sure not to turn the power off on both consoles. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.